Hello everyone and welcome to the Deercast. Today we are bringing you a review of these, which are the Harkila Pro Hunter 2 GTX boots. You have to forgive them if they look a little bit dirty, a little bit beaten up. These are actually my pair of boots. I have had them since December, recording this at the end of March, so they've had a good sort of 3-4 months of testing, and I've not been particularly kind to them, hence the slight condition of them. The first thing I'd say is Harkila boots have in the past had quite a hard reviewing online from various different people, and a lot of that was because these boots used to be manufactured in Asia. You'd be pleased to hear that Harkila sort of woke up, heard that, and now manufacture everything in Europe. So as a result, I mean, you get a nice little label in there saying made in the EU. As a result, you now get a 2-year no quibble warranty with these boots. So if something does go wrong with them, you get your money back or you get another pair. These are about 10 inches of ankle support, so quite a tall boot. I was initially a little bit nervous because I've never stalked in sort of tall boots like this before. I normally sort of tend to stalk in something about sort of this tall, and I was a bit nervous they'd feel a bit restrictive, a bit heavy and a bit clunky. And that they'd rub on my legs and just generally kind of not feel great. I found that this sort of nubuck leather here softened really quickly, so it didn't rub, it didn't feel too big or bulky. You can see there's quite a bit of sort of flexibility in there. At the same time, there's still a decent amount of ankle support. Didn't find they rubbed anywhere at all. There's a full length round which runs the whole length round the boots here, to provide sort of a good seal between the leather and the rubber sole. Harkila don't actually say what this round is made out of. I had it on a previous set of Harkila boots, and actually it survived a really long time. Well, still surviving, really long time. Very tough, very durable, definitely very waterproof. I've had these and other boots into sort of shin high water and not had any water come through. Sole itself is a Vibram rubber sole with a sort of built-in shock absorber, sort of good grip along the bottom here. You've got, if you do sort of spend a lot of time going through water or wet grass, there's a steel eyelet here that you can attach gaiters to. They are genuinely a very good robust pair of boots. You can pick them up at the moment for £330 from Bushwear. That was the cheapest place I could find. Other places that have got them for £340, £350, and that sort of price. There's probably not a huge amount more I can say on them, other than that I am very impressed. I'm very pleased with them. As I said, offer good support. They don't feel too heavy, don't feel too clunky, and generally seem to be made really well. So if you're thinking of buying a new pair of boots, definitely go and check these out. They're the Pro Hunter 2 GTX from Harkila. Go and have a look.